Nigerians, Abeg, Mona forgive me, I be hypocrite. I know say I know they practice wetin I dey preach. I beg you, Abeg, Mona find somewhere for una heart to forgive me. Na hypocrite na be. I know they practice wetin I dey preach. Now, to those of you with my advice, don't spoil your relationship. Abeg, go back, go beg your girlfriend and your wife. Make she take you back, Abeg. And if you be the woman, your husband leave you, your boyfriend leave you because of my advice. If the man come back, come beg you, Abeg, accept her back. Now hypocrite, I be not blame them. It's my fault, and I don't accept all the blame. I don't go to get a big pass. Best way, which I'm responsible for. Are they accountable for all my mistakes? You know that I beg me gonna forgive me. I beg Nigerians. I beg. Okay, Nigerians, I want to share my own side of the story. I want to expose my secret now. You know that some Nigerians know everybody come here, Gehgeh, you married, what do you have to say? People want to hear from me, and I want to expose my secret now. That's all life. This life where they live, now people where they close to you go bring you down. That's all life be. They have been trying to bring me down, and in case you join the people with the list of people they pray, make I fall, I beg, send me a DM so we can collaborate on how to bring me down. You know understand? Now. Me brand your bro. Are wicked like this? Nigerians, I'm sorry. At this point, I don't really get what I want to talk again. I beg, Mona, forgive me. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Not because I plan to marry you. I wake up this morning. I come online. They don't use AI to edit me to marriage. Just because in Nigeria women want to bring me down. Governor Sheriff, the construction maniac, leave the construction alone. Bad AI. They want to destroy me. Nigerian women after my life. Donald Trump, Governor Sheriff, it's a letter to you. If you know, I beg, if you love me, tag Governor Sheriff to this video. Nigerian women don't do everything to bring me down. Now AI, now edit me into marriage. I'm not a married man. AI, thank you so much for organizing marriage on my behalf. I don't get money before in the country where people are suffering to gather money for marriage. I wake up for money. AI don't organize marriage for me. I'm not a married man. Congratulations to me. In case you won't bring me down, again a bad person, he's a deceiver. Yes, a bad man. I don't go like you. If you like, allow one who get to deceive you. They say Gehgeh don't marry. So therefore, maybe they pack your money, they give her. Because in news they say Gehgeh don't marry. Carry your money, go give woman. You go still cry at the end of the last comment of a fool. Nigerian women are happy. You wanna celebrate? Yes, Gehgeh is married. Your mentor don't marry. I can be now. Wow! In the book of Proverbs 18:22, thus saith the Lord, in that finds a wife, find a good thing. I'm married. Clocky. You never get anything where Nigerian women never do to bring me down. You have tried your best. You want to bring me down, and you want to bring me down. You won't bring me down. Call me. I'll give you the link. Gehgeh talk say, Gehgeh advice don't spoil my life. Because of Gehgeh, I don't get relationship again. Your advice. Now why I don't get relationship again? Because of your advice, I pursue my wife. Because of your advice. Even you will not really talk to a woman, will not get woman for your life. Now Gehgeh advice for your life will make you not get woman. Don't worry. Gehgeh, now your advice will you give me make me not get woman again. Never, whoa, me, wake you, me. I advise you to leave the woman and you Governor Sheriff, bad AI. You are the construction maniac. Leave road construction alone. And bad AI in Nigeria. Nigeria, when you say AI, to bring me down. I go UK last year. I was in UK. When I go that place, they use AI to create beautiful things for their country. I come Nigeria. They use AI to build relationship on behalf of people. I'm not a married man. AI, God bless AI for me. I'm not a married man. I find money when I want to go married. I don't know if you use AI, bro. Just in case you find money when you want to do marriage, not stress yourself again. Enter your phone, find one of the AI app, download the AI app. There's a way you can use the app to edit yourself into marriage and a new relationship that is blessed with beautiful kids. Tinubu, I want to bring it to your notice. It should be known there's a malicious distribution of AI content circulating on the social media space in Nigeria. Nigerian women are now using AI to edit men into marriage. No, not even pay me rich. I got say, someone say, Gehgeh wife be like Bobrisky. Nigeria. I not see anybody edit me to marriage with. Now Bobrisky like edit me to marriage with. All the women went in Nigeria. When I not see anybody edit me to relationship with. Now Bobrisky, now edit me to marriage with. Because I look very foolish and stupid. Everybody can say, even this Gehgeh will not know anything. Women see they follow him. You know who pass me, Abi? You know who pass me? What is the pastors of yam? Tell me now. You know? No. Oh, well, yeah. You know the pastors of yam. Tell me the pastors of yam. Now you know book. You go school. What's the pastors of yam? Tinubu, there's a malicious distribution of the AI content circulating on the social media space, orchestrated by Nigerian women to bring men down. And I'm the one of them. They don't finally bring me down. I don't get career again. My university is gone. I don't fall now. Now me for you don't bring me down. I see they happy on your behalf. You are still a sad person. You bring me down. No, I'm still happy. You when you bring down, see they get me, but there's no joy in your life. And they go back to my ex. Your ex is valuable to you. Now you drop her in the first place. No man go leave valuable woman because of what another man talk. You don't be like say you leave job where they pay you 1.5 million naira every month because of what others people give you. You leave job of 1.5 million. Or go they accept job of 100,000 naira. No man go do that kind of thing. Your girlfriend was not useful to you before. Now why you drop her? Did I ask you to leave your girlfriend? If you not sabi talk to a woman, I make this as a warning. If you are a Nigerian man, if you not sabi talk to a woman, go buy pocket toto. Not gonna use Gehgeh, na one not get girlfriend. You not sabi talk to a woman. Go and buy pocket toto. Now all of a sudden,